solving the general equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This by method of completing the square. So the answer you get is not the formula. Let us continue. So this one now will become ax squared plus bx equals to minus c. Yes, we are not correcting like that now. So if we do, now we divide all through by coefficient of x squared. So this one, if you do that, you have x squared plus bx over a equals to minus c over a. We always want the leading coefficient to be 1. That is 1 here. So we look up now. What is the coefficient of x here? Is b over 2a. So you add to both sides half square of coefficient of x, which is b over 2a. So this one now become x square plus bx over a plus b over 2a all squared, and it equals to minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. Next, if I try the left hand side, to do that, you forget about the one in the center here. So you take this one, x, and whatever is inside this bracket, plus b over 2a all squared. So you have now factorized this one now, and it equals to this one minus c over a plus b square over 4a squared. Next, you add this. So you do this way. That is the LCM of 4a squared and 4a is 4a squared. So if you divide now, here you have a will divide here, you have 4a multiplied by this, you have minus 4ac plus this one will go plus b squared. You are making progress. So from here you now look at this one now. You take the root of both sides so that these two will go. So this one will become x plus b over 2a equals to the square root of plus or minus square root of, you start from b square so that you maintain, you now obey the order. So here you have b square minus 4ac over 4a 4a squared. Remember, we're looking for x, so you now transfer this one to that side. So you have x will be equals to minus b over 2a, so plus or minus b square minus 4ac is there, square root of b square minus 4ac over, so the square root of 4 here is 2 and the square root of a square is a. That's why dash root goes up. So now let us add it all now. So this one now will be equals to, what is the LCM of 2a and 2a? Is 2a. 2a and 2a is 1. 1 times minus b, you have minus b. This one plus or minus 2a into 2a is 1. 1 times is whatever is here is become b square minus 4ac. That is x. See, x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a is